Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Minnesota Vlogs, and today I will be doing something relatively new for this channel, and that is 3D printing the Jurassic Park Operation Genesis models. So as you can see, today I will be 3D printing the Spinosaurus, T-Rex, Dilophosaurus, Velociraptor, Drysaurus, and of course, the GOAT. So, I know it's not every single dinosaur in the game, but if you guys actually want to see me 3D print all the other dinosaurs, tell me in the comments below and I'll probably make a part 2 to this video. But besides that, here they are in Choo Box. I might have to adjust them later, so they might not look exactly like this when they're actually printed. But as you can see, I got them all lined up. I'm going to be adding supports, and yeah. So I figured this would be a fun video to do. But enough talking, let's get to printing.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, and these were the Jurassic Park Operation Genesis 3D prints. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, I'd really appreciate it. Also, and what would you guys like to see me 3D print next? Would you like to see me 3D print like more Operation Genesis models, or just models from another video game, like Jurassic World Evolution 2, Jurassic Park Warpath, anything? So tell me in the comments below, what would you like to see me 3D print next? Besides that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Also, check out my Discord and Instagram, both links will be down in the description below. But besides that, have a wonderful day, and goodbye. See y'all next time.